Did you know DoorDash drivers did over 2 billion deliveries in 2023? That's insane. I used a calculator and that equals over 5 million deliveries per day. So you're probably wondering, okay, Mr. Hustle,
I hear you, but how do I become a DoorDash master? And how is it going to benefit me?
mastering DoorDash could lead to better ratings, better income, and an overall better experience. Some new Dashers have trouble deciding which orders to decline and which orders to accept. Other Dashers have trouble finding out the best areas and the best times to work. While most of this is market dependent, there are general tips and strategies you could use to become one of the most profitable Dashers in your area. When it comes to making more money for each delivery, the most important thing is patience. The way DoorDash offers orders is by offering the orders that have been sitting the longest first. Normally these are the offers with low tips or high mileage. Don't be afraid to decline these orders because if you're in the right areas, you'll most likely get a better order within about 5 minutes. This leads me to the second most important thing, and that's location. DoorDash sends out offers based off how close a Dasher is to the restaurant. So you want to learn where the most restaurants are in your area and test out different times of day for when they are the busiest. This will help you have the most orders to choose from and also find out the best times and areas to work. I normally drive to a location about 15 minutes away from my house. There's about 20 restaurants within about 5 miles. There's about 10 restaurants within 1 mile. There's also a bunch of businesses, so you got a bunch of workers ordering. Another good location I could recommend you to try is near college campuses. And the third thing you want to focus on is customer service. This includes checking for drinks when picking up orders, delivering the orders in a timely manner, and also following delivery instructions when dropping off the order. If you focus on these 3 things, you'll be a DoorDash master in no time. That'll lead to better ratings, more income, and an overall better experience on the DoorDash platform. I'll show you a few orders that I declined and which orders I accepted, just to give you a little bit more information. I'm currently at my work zone now, waiting on a good order. I did decline a few, so I'll show you the few that I have declined. Hopefully we get a good order soon. Update you shortly. To become a master Dasher.
Dasher master?
Alright, so we started our shift today. The first offer was a $4 2-mile order. I declined that one. 2 minutes later, I got a better offer for $7 4 miles. So I just got the Chili's. I'm going to pick up that order now. Start our shift. If you have any other tips for new Dashers or other Dashers, feel free to leave them down below. Also, please drop a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more delivery related content. As always, it's been real. Until next time, peace out, hustlers.